Everyone, John to your Coastal Caravans, and beside me is our Crusader X-Country Mad Max. This is our full off-road, off-grid ultimate caravan. It's got our Cruisemaster ATX airbag suspension, and that is automatic levelling. In the bar entertainment area too at eye level, so imagine just pulling up to your campsite, pressing one button and the van levels right to where you want it. You'll be the first one set up and the first one to the beer fridge. Well, we're inside the Mad Max. Look how good the interior looks, but we all know the magic happens in the bedroom, so check out what I'm talking about. Two 620 amp lithium batteries, 3000 watt inverter, at a constant room temperature under the bed, easy to access and stored nicely. We have our CaraFan up the top there. This van has the diesel hot water service, diesel heating. We've got our convection microwave there. We've got room here for our induction cooktop, so we've maximised the bench space here, and there's just so many features on this van that I'm not going to be able to say it all in one video. So come to the dealership, get on our website or pick up the phone. We'd love to chat to you about it. If you want a full off-road, off-grid caravan, the Crusader Mad Max is the van for you. Save $12,000 at our dealership, MY25 stock clearance.